Is that extra zero on the price tag actually worth it? We're diving deep into the ultimate car debate: luxury sedan versus performance sedan. Are you paying for plush leather or for raw power and thrilling drives? Let's uncover the true value behind these automotive titans. Many drivers face the dilemma of choosing between the opulent comfort of a luxury sedan and the exhilarating power of a performance sedan. We're here to break down the real pros and cons, helping you navigate the price tag and find your perfect ride. The ultimate sedan dilemma is here: opulent comfort versus thrilling power. Which reigns supreme in 2025? Today, we're dissecting the worth it factor of luxury versus performance sedans beyond the spec sheet. We'll break down who each car is really for, assisting in your decision-making process. Let's dive into the unparalleled cabin serenity that luxury sedans provide. Inside, you'll find cutting-edge tech and premium materials that define modern luxury. These vehicles command their price due to meticulous sound deadening, advanced massage seats, and personalized concierge services. But is the plush ride and status symbol truly worth the premium if speed isn't your priority? That's a crucial question to consider. Now, let's unleash the performance factor. From 0 to 60, examining raw power is essential. Performance sedans boast responsive handling and track-ready dynamics that thrill every driver. Engineering marvels lurk under the hood, like specialized braking systems and adaptive suspensions. Yet, are you genuinely paying for exhilaration, or are there diminishing returns once you hit certain speed thresholds? Public roads may limit your enjoyment. There's also the emerging hybrid class, sedans blending comfort with surprising performance. Are they the best of both worlds? And let's talk about hidden costs. Analyzing insurance premiums, fuel efficiency, maintenance, and potential depreciation for both categories is vital. Don't forget the smile per mile factor. The intangible value of driving a car that truly excites you deserves consideration, regardless of type. Now, let's recap the core arguments. Luxury sedans offer daily comfort and status, while performance sedans deliver unadulterated driving joy. Ultimately, the worth it question boils down to your individual priorities, lifestyle, and driving habits. So, which sedan fits your dream garage? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the world of automobiles.